I'm playing, but hey, take a piece, it's the chiffon, fold it over again. You're leaving a decent tail to grab hold of, and when you do that, fold that back. And so let me just get some of this off the roll. Okay, so we've got that, and this is an inch wide, well, inch and a half actually. You fold that back and you're going to roll, and then roll it again and again. A little bit of glue like that, fold it back and glue it again, and you're just gonna roll it. I don't want to do it like that. Roll it and then fold it like that. We just need the inside of a flower. Roll it and again roll, fold it back, roll and then fold it back. And I wouldn't do any more than that. So I'm just going to snip that. Oops. And then what I'm going to do with this is to fold that in. Like that. And there's the start of my rose. Like that. And I'm just going to twist that. Okay, so now I've got something to hold on to. And then what we're going to do, I'm going to cut, let's just say 20 centimetre strips. So I'm going to do, half a dozen at least. One, they don't have to be perfect. 3, 4, 5, 6, and let's see where we get on, how we get on from here. Now I have to fold this in half because you don't want them, you don't want a big bulky flower. So I'm going to fold it in half, and then I'm just going to start and sew. So I need to do a tacking stitch in there, and I'm going to come up through the bottom section and just do a running stitch, hopefully catching the front and back together. Just keep checking that you have like that. There we go. So I don't want them too gathered, that would spoil it. Okay, so just going to separate it all, even it out basically. Okay, now we're going to just take your bud and start that off. Try and keep your fabric level with this. So I would glue the fabric that's gathered and then slowly wrap that around your flower. And then you've got control over the flower. Oh, look at that, see? So we just have to keep going and do that. So I'm going to speed the camera up. That's all I'm going to do. And you'll see as I do it, I'll show you each layer that's gone on. So, that's the rose. It's stunning. It really is. I'm not sure. I might need to put my light on for you to actually see. It's just beautiful. So we do need to make, and that's done with the chiffon. But you can do that with any material. You don't need anything else, just a bit of chiffon. Or whatever it is you've got at hand. That's all. So that's that one. Now, I do have some green chiffon, although I like this for leaves. There we go. I've got this for my leaves. I absolutely love these leaves, and they look great on any project. So we're just going to stick to these. I'm going to do a really short one as well. Like that. Then we're going to do these longer ones. Like that. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful leaves. But yeah, so I hope that's helpful. And yeah, thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.